How are you today? Let me hope that you're fine and ready with your pen to write down some information about security if you are in classes 5, 6, and 7. Don't forget, my name is Teacher Sylvia. Yeah, I'm here to share with you what I know about security. Yeah, we have some grocery here. To intrude is to trespass. Remember, don't go to a place where you have not been permitted to go. You have to seek permission first. An inmate is a prisoner. That's another word for prisoner. After you've committed an offense, you're going to be imprisoned, so you are a prisoner. Proof, that is evidence. Another word for proof is evidence. Sufficient evidence, that's enough evidence. You really know what you're talking about. You're telling the truth. You saw, you know, and you're ready to tell. We have what we call pardon. To pardon is to forgive, or to excuse. Yes, there are some cases that are pardonable. We have what we call fairness. That is the same as justice. Should always be fair. Try to be fair. Don't be partial. Don't be biased, favoring one side when you are a judge. Don't favor some people and then you treat others unjustly. No. Try to be impartial and try to be fair. Your ruling must be fair. We have only one God that is just. Let's try to emulate that example. We have what we call released. To release is to free, and the past tense is freed, with those two E's. To condemn is to sentence. Yes, to sentence, you've heard that several times. You sentence someone who has committed an offense. You give a punishment, and that person serves it. That person serves his punishment. If it is a 2-year imprisonment, that person will stay in prison until those 2 years are done. And that is what we call serving a punishment. Yeah, that's a penalty. Breach the law. We say breach the law. We say violate the law. We say defy the law. We should not break the law. All these ones mean the same. To breach, to violate, to defy, and to break. Make sure you obey the law. Even at school, don't try to bend the rules, because you have to read the regulations properly and understand everything. What you have to do, as soon as you get that form, make sure you go through all of them and make sure you observe them. Yes, we've said defy the law is the same as violate. Violate the law is the same as breach. It is the same as break. We are not supposed to break the law. We are not supposed to break, to violate, to breach. All these mean the same. Don't disobey if you don't want to go to court. I hope you've seen a lot. and you're not ready to go there, because it's not a very good place to go to. Make sure even at school you behave well. You saw that bail, that's the money you pay. The money you pay because you want your brother, your relative, to be set free. Yeah, you want him to be out of prison. And so what you do, you pay some money. That's the bail. That one is done for a case that is not very serious. There are some cases that are not bailable. Yes. As they make investigations, you can be out of prison. And that is grant. They can refuse bail. We amass evidence. We gather. We collect information. You're able to tell. A jurist, this is a person who studied law at a very, very high level. You know that we have a professor. This one is a teacher of the highest rank at the university. So this one is very high, studied law. When you see this notice, restricted area, don't go there. You become an intruder. You'll be trespassing if you go. When they say out of bounds, please don't go there. They are showing you that people are not needed here. Maybe you are not a staff member. And then you try to force yourself in. That is to appeal, you know. To appeal is to request. This is a heartfelt request. You want them to consider you again. You want them to reverse the decision. Yeah, that's a dog in a criminal court where the accused stands or sits during the trial. That's a dog. You saw the chambers for the judge. Culprit is the person that has committed a crime. He's a culprit, he's the accused. We have a plaintiff. It's the same as complainant. It's the same as the accuser. And then these ones are accusing the defendant. Defendant has been reported. We have the condemned cell. The person that has been condemned, that is the place is kept in. This one is going to face death sentence. A person that is going to face death sentence is kept there. It is called a condemned cell. That's the uniform that people who have committed petty offenses. What are petty offenses? These are not serious. Maybe you slapped your mother. Yeah, it is serious before God, but then they may not keep you in prison for so long. Now, death sentence, that's the uniform. Yeah, that's the uniform for those people. We have a hangman. Hangman is a person who kills the criminals. Yes, those who are going to be hanged. You saw the gallows. That's the man who kills them. He doesn't want to be seen, and that's the order. Yeah, you don't need to look at him. Thank you so much. Let me hope that you're going to write those words in your book, in your vocabulary book. your notebook so that you don't forget. In case the teacher asks, give me another word to mean this, you'll be able to explain. Thank you so much. You should always subscribe. Make sure you subscribe because we have a lot to share with you. We have a lot. And next one will be banking. And let me hope you be ready. Keep on checking, and I'm sure you'll enjoy. Thank you very much.